Good morning, children. Today our Narayana life classes. Key for the class 7th. Dated on 27th June 2020. Subject Social Studies and the topic is Rains and Rivers Part 2. Rivers Part 2. Okay, since many days we are discussing about the same topic about the floods and the rains and rivers. So here a reversed topic. So what is the first question? Identify the odd one out. So here in the options 4 rivers are given. River Ganga, River Krishna, River Godavari and Penna. So all this river Ganga, Krishna and Godavari, they are perennial rivers. What is the meaning of perennial? The rivers which flow continuously throughout the year. But whereas Penna river is non-perennial river, it is non-perennial, it is not perennial. It won't flow throughout the year. So here for the first question, the option C, Penna. And coming to the second question, what is the question given? The rivers in Andhra Pradesh flow from. So our rivers are flowing from the west side to the east side. So here option B, west to east. Okay, in our Andhra Pradesh, the rivers are flowing from the west to east. Next, third question is the important precaution we have to take. The important precaution we have to take during the floods is we have to drink only the boiled water. So we have to drink boiled water, drinking boiling water, boiled water. So coming to the fourth question, the disturbances caused to the nature causes. So suddenly there will be disturbances in the nature. So it causes what? It leads to the calamities. What are natural calamities? These earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis. These all are the natural calamities. Means it causes a lot of sudden damage to the earth. So here option A, calamities. So coming to the fifth question, identify the effects of floods. Because of the floods, what are the effects of the floods? First thing is that they have the snakes. Snakes will be coming out during the floods. That option is also correct. And the second one is water gets polluted. Water gets polluted. That is also correct answer. And the third one is what is that? Spread of the contagious diseases. The diseases spread easily. So all the three options are correct. So option D, all. Next, coming to the sixth question. What is the sixth question? Identify the correct statement. So here also, first option what he have given, during the floods, the crops get devastated. What it means is the crops will get damaged. So that is also correct option. Next is what? The spread of the contagious diseases. It is also correct option. And the third one is the spread of the pest. Pest means what? The small insects. These house flies, these mosquitoes, this virus spreads easily during this floods. So all the three options are correct. So here option D, all. Next, coming to the questions. Here are given the effects of the deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? We are cutting all the trees. So what are the effects when we deforest? When we cut the trees, what are the effects? It leads to the soil erosion. It leads to the floods. And what is happening? There is an effect in the food chain. Food chain means, see, all the animals are related to one another. So they are linked with one another. Suppose in the forest we are killing all the snakes. What does the snakes eat? Suppose I am giving just an example. What does it eat? The snakes will be eating frogs. So the population of frogs will increase. So because of the deforestation, so all the animals are linked to children. Suppose if all the frogs are not there, so it leads to the increase of small insects will increase, because the frogs will be eating the insects. So because of this deforestation, it affects the food chain. It affects the food chain. Affects the food chain. And it disturbs the nature. So nature is getting disturbed. So these are the effects of the deforestation. So try to not cut the trees, and we have to maintain the ecological balance. If the ecological balance is not there, the whole earth will get disturbed. There will be lot of disturbance in the nature. Okay children, thank you.